Alright, this video will be on how to make your Duramax uppipe into an LB7 uppipe. This is way better than putting a blocker plate here. That just caused problems. As you can see, this is flexible, and eventually heat will just get in there and it'll vibrate, and kaboom. This bevel here, whatever you want to call this, bellow, will explode, and yeah, not fun. And you got to do it all over again. So what I'm going to do is, it's up to you guys if you want to just cut here and see, like, round a piece of metal over. That's probably not the smart way to do it. The smart way to do it is just cut it probably right here. Smart and easy way to do it is cut right here, weld a flat piece of metal right on top, and you'll be good to go. I'm grinding mine right there, right when she just comes up. Then I can put a nice flat piece of steel there and weld it right around. This is what it's gonna look like. I'll probably take and clean up all these burrs and that, and then I'll take my plate, weld it on. If anyone wants a nice hood stack piece right here, it's a solid 1.5 inch. Be perfect right at your hood. So this is the final product. This is what it's gonna look like here. We cut it off like I showed you. We took a piece of 1/8 inch steel. You can use whatever you want. And we just lined her up in a vise. Welded her along. Ain't even the prettiest welds, who cares, as long as it doesn't leak. And yeah, that's good to go. This is how you make your LB7 uppipe. Literally just cut it off and put her back on. When you put these 3 bolts back in on each side, use Loctite, red Loctite. And make sure you clean off the surfaces on both sides and the gaskets, and she'll be good to go. It's gonna look like right up in there, as you can see, she is cut off. So install this, clean up everything. I use like brake cleaner or whatever, clean up the surfaces and wipe it all down nice. Use red Loctite, and basically when you're putting these bolts in, you just got to get it as tight as you pretty much can. You'll be able to feel if you don't want to break them, but basically as tight as you can. And that's it, guys. That is how to make your uppipe into a LB7 uppipe, or just buy a new one and reinstall it like you took it off.